Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to set up Wix payments or your Wix online store payment methods. So the very first thing that we should do here is we just have to open any of our web browser, and then we just have to search for wix.com or Wix Studio, and then you have to log into your Wix account. Okay, so let me just open a new tab and then type out wix.com. Okay, so I'm now on my Wix Studio, and you'd be able to see here now your sites. And then you have to check if this is the correct account that you have. Okay. Now the next thing that you should do here is you can actually create a new site if you want to, or edit an existing site. Okay, so it's up to you which site do you want to set up the payment method. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we are going to create a new site. So we can choose from Studio Template, Studio Blank Canvas, or Studio Sitemap and Wireframes. You can also use the Wix editor if you want to. So yeah, we are going to use this Studio Template. Then right here on the template section, you've got many templates to choose from. Okay, so you can search templates that you need for your store, and before choosing the right template, you can preview them as well. So this is the desktop view right here. You also have the tablet view and then the mobile view. And you don't have to worry because all of the templates here on Wix are all functional. Okay, so if you want to edit this one, just click on the edit template option. Okay, so it's up to you if you want to start from scratch. But as for me, I'm just going to select an existing site. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. And then after that, right here on the setup sections, you'd be able to see here the different steps that you have to finish in order for you to finish your store. The first one is to update your site type, connect to your custom domain, publish your site, get it found on Google, create a kit or resource for your client, or discover Wix Enterprise. But now just proceed to the settings section. That's right. And then here we have the finance and the payments. So we have accept payments, getting paid, receipt, and the tax. Okay, we have the business solutions, checked out, store products, and etc. So let's go to the accept payments. So when you click on the accept payments option, you'd be able to see here the different payment methods that you can use for this site. So we only have two here, so you have to click on the see more payment option at the bottom, okay, below the manual payments, because the availability of the payment methods will depend on your region or your current location. Okay, so we have this hit pay, payment wall, and etc. Okay, so if you want to connect this payment method, just click on connect if you want to use manual. So for the manual type, we have to select one of the following payment type. So cash on delivery, and then again, let your customers know how to pay you. So you can add here and instructions. Okay, that's right. And then take note that this payment method has no fees. That's one of the advantages of the manual payment. Okay, now if you want to change your region, as you can see right here, if you are not from the Philippines, just click on this country option at the top right, and then you can use the search bar to find your region or your country. For example, Australia. So as you can see, Stripe is available on Australia. So we have Visa, MasterCard, and etc. And if you click on the other payment options, we have more right here, even on Square, Google Pay, and more. So if you want to connect your Square right here, just click on connect, and then you'll be able to see here an instruction on how you can connect your Square or Stripe. So to connect your Square accounts, you have to click connect to sign in to your Square account. Once sign in, your store account will be connected to your Wix account. And then if you don't have an account yet, you just have to read this important note right here. Okay, and then click on connect after that. But of course, you'd be redirected to the Square section where you have to sign in using your email or phone number. Or you can also sign in with a passkey. Okay, so now let us try the region of United States. if we can find maybe credit card or debit card, because most of our customers, they would prefer those payment methods. Okay, so let me just go back right here and then go to the country section. So let me just tap out United States and then click on the United States option and then click on choose after that. Now just wait for a couple of seconds, and as you can see, we have now this payment method which we can accept credit card, debit cards with Wix. So just have to click on connect if you want to use this one. But as you can see, I cannot really connect my account because this is not available on our country. Yeah, so we only have here the manual payments, and when you go to the see more options, we also have PayPal, we have Cash App Pay, All Pay, Klarna, and there's so many payment methods that you can choose from. Okay, just take note that you just have to connect them. So just click on the connect option. Like for PayPal, so you just have to put here your account information, so you'd be able to connect your PayPal account. And for the PayPal fees, you'd be able to see those fees at the top right of your screen. And right here, we have the payment methods that are available on PayPal, or if you want to use PayPal. Now, going back to the finance and payments, so when you go to the getting paid section, for the general settings, we can put here the company ID, okay, and then the currency, and then the default payment terms. So you just have to scroll down right here so you can find your currency. Okay, and then for the taxes, you can create a list, and here you have the preview of invoice or the price code. And if you would like to remove the Wix logo, you just have to subscribe to a plan so you'd be able to turn this on. Okay, so here we have the invoices section, the price codes, the pay links, and the last one, we have the automation. So for the price codes, we have the settings right here that we can customize as well, and then the pay links, so you can go to the pay links and then the automation. And some of the important consideration that you have to remember: payment availability depends on your country and business type. So you just have to check the Wix's provider list specific to your region. And sometimes their payout delays can occur, especially during account verification or with new stores. Some users report needed patience with Wix payments. And then, of course, third-party providers avoid Wix holding funds, but you'll manage payouts and fees separately. And then always verify any provider's fees, supported currencies, and payout timelines before setup. And that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.